Hi everyone, today we're going to do my flitch plate on the Volvo, looking a bit tired. First of all, we're going to use weapons grade degreaser, which is a soap based degreaser, to clean all of the likes of that off. Then we're going to dry it and use our 15% IPA wipe to thoroughly clean and degrease it all completely. And then we're going to use our new product, Black Dress, which is a polymer based coating which will bring up the plastics back to the original black and keep them there for many months. Okay, we'll get started. I'm gonna give it a squirt of weapons grade degreaser. I tried getting the wiper arms off, but they are so corroded on they won't come off even with release agent. So let's get there. So let's get it all nice and coated. This is neat weapons grade. You can dilute it, but I'm using it neat for the purposes of this because everything is so grungy. Right, I'm going to leave that to soak for a few minutes and then we'll work it in. Soak, now we're going to work it in. Get all the rubbish off that we can. This stuff doesn't take a lot to do it because it's very concentrated. And some of the things you can do with this is incredible. It cleans soft top hoods beautifully, and when it rinses off, all its constituent parts go away, so it doesn't leave any surfactants. Got it on a bit of low power. We're going to give it a rinse. Oh. Get it clean. Washed it and rinsed it and let it dry. We're going to hit it with some 15% IPA wipe to degrease, finish degreasing. So it's already fairly clean. See, the cloth's clean, so that's good. Coming out nice and clean. Right, do the other side. Put that there a minute. So, black dress. It's best to wear gloves because it is black. You do not need a lot of this, and I mean we're talking that amount. Let's put that down there for the moment. Right. This flitch plate is actually quite warm, so the product will go on a tiny bit more. It's been a few minutes now, so we'll just take off the excess ever so gently. There you go. Back to a decent colour. No difference.